Hello. Welcome to Favor Healthcare Channel. Today we are going to talk about the Mediterranean diet and why it is important to the body. In this video, we discuss three important aspects of the Mediterranean diet. 1. What is a Mediterranean diet? 2. Why it is important. 3. The awareness. So stay tuned, we will be right back.
Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is a way of eating that emphasizes the consumption of plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. It also includes moderate amounts of dairy, fish, and poultry, and limits red meat and sweets. This diet is based on the traditional eating habits of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greece, Italy, and Spain. Research has shown that following a Mediterranean diet may have many health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and some types of cancer. One reason the Mediterranean diet is thought to be beneficial is because it is rich in nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It is also low in saturated fat and high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet emphasizes the consumption of whole, minimally processed foods and encourages regular physical activity, which can also contribute to better health outcomes. Overall, the Mediterranean diet is a healthy and balanced way of eating that can provide numerous health benefits when followed consistently over time.